You don't snore. You don't snore. Huh? Why are you looking at me like that? I'm not a damn serial killer. You said you didn't snore, right? You don't snore at all. Huh? You swear? You going straight to hell. I got you on video. Guess what? You snore. I ain't talking about just a little bit. I'm talking about you sawing up some logs opening the factory and shit. Look at it. It's only 10:20. You're getting old on me. You know what the hell is these new video cameras do anyway? They go sideways and not flip your phone upside down. Can y'all see me upside down? Who the hell knows? You can take a picture. Snap.